There's probably a simple solution to getting your Electrolux front-load washer running as it should. If your unit was just installed, check the following. Make sure the power cord fits tightly in the wall outlet. Still no power? Check to ensure a house fuse isn't blown or the circuit breaker tripped. You can also check to make sure the water supply faucets are turned on. Make sure the door is closed. Your washer will not start if the door is open. Is the unit paused? See if the light next to Start Pause is blinking or flashing. If so, press the Start Pause to resume washing. Sometimes with touchscreens, it may not have recognized you pressed the button. Problem still not solved? Check your use and care guide, visit us online, or call us.